something else now. Yeah, something different. How y'all doing? You wanna go for a ride with the fucking wood? Fuck around and pop a hole in a motherfucker. I don't know. I don't. I'm finna see if this bitch wanna go with me, yo. I might kill this bitch. You hear me? I don't know. I'm looking for my significant other. I might this main one right here. That, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna pop them up.
You know what I'm saying? You better use them planes if I can tell you. Use air. Use my air to breathe. I wanna slide on my tail. My tail drag it through this bitch. Let's do this shit finna get really fun. Yo, good morning, everybody. Good morning. You thought I was
fucking wood? Fuck around and pop a hole in a motherfucker. I don't know.
Check this out. I'm going around getting motherfuckers blessings and motherfucking death sentence at the same time. Depending on who it is. I know if you really love me or not. The ones that got that hidden agenda shit that was trying to use me. I got something coming for your ass. I'm finna to drive past and say, fuck it, I'm gonna just blow up the whole community. Y'all can start the fuck over here. Homies, all y'all bitch ass niggas. Oh no, they don't think it's a game. I'm finna do that to their ass. It's okay, I got you, boy. I got you.